do you want to help other ladies understand separation and divorce because you've just been through it and you have come out the other side and now it's on your heart to help other ladies?
Because having gone through it ourselves, we understand just how hard it is. And unless you've actually gone through it yourself, you actually don't get it and you don't understand it. It's very hard to teach healing and teach moving forward and growing if you haven't gone through the journey yourself.
We have worked with thousands of women who have gone through separation and divorce, and many of those women have tried so much therapy, counseling, coaching, all sorts of different things, even right through to breath work, to NLP. All of these things have been part of their journey, and we really celebrate that, lady. We love ladies who love to grow and love to learn and love to heal and who have it in their heart to actually help other people. So this is your opportunity, and we're calling you in to be able to come together as a collective of women who have been through or going through separation and divorce, so we can share and grow and heal together and know that we're not alone.
Because you're not. We know walking into one of our rooms, a few hundred women there, walking the walk the same as you. And they're all in a place of having to look at how they could grow and what tools that they could find. And also they've tried, in a lot of cases, something. They've tried some counseling, or they've tried some type of therapy, or they've tried other courses or programs, and they just haven't found something that's actually worked for them in all areas. So we know what we do works. We know it's proven. It's now been successful with literally thousands of ladies. And the program in itself over the 3 days leads women over the journey of understanding on the Friday what went wrong, what role they played, through Saturday of rebuilding and putting into place healthy foundations, but also understanding family dynamics, how things were impacted from themselves as from a childhood to environmental, to things that we've learnt along the way, and maybe even been impacted by relationships that we've had too, and right through to the Sunday of looking forward in the future and leaving with hope and a plan. And we know that's something that you'll be able to do too, because a big part of the weekend is the ladies learning about how they can develop and establish going forward with things that could be new businesses or side hustles, or how they can go forward and give back and help others as well.
Yeah, we really see the strength that comes from when women support each other. And we know that separation and divorce is such a huge journey. It starts from very often when we were little girls, we lost ourselves along the way, and we look at the opportunity that comes from separation and divorce is to rediscover who we are and to look at who we want to be and what we want to do, and not to give up on our dreams, for us to be able to heal and grow and create that beautiful new life that we want for ourselves and we want for our family and with community. And this is the power that happens when we bring beautiful women together. So ladies, if you've been on your own growth journey and you've tried other modalities and other programs or even other courses, you're going to find some commonality here. And I'm sure you're even going to find lots of new tools and skills to help you and for you to be able to help other ladies. We know the power of the feminine bringing people together is just a beautiful experience for us all.
Absolutely. And it's a tribe. It's a tribe full of people that are same, but different, and they all want to be able to come together, connect, grow, and build healthy communities of people that they can share. They can have unreasonable friends that give them good advice. We talk about it being a constant and never ending personal improvement, the ability to be able to keep growing and learning every day of our lives, and to be able to make sure that we continue to be better and better with, and to give back. A big part of what we do now, Fiona and I, is our contribution. We subsidize our 3-day events so that we can contribute and give back. This will be in October, our last live 3-day events that we'll be running. And we know that this is something that we're going to be handing that gauntlet on to somebody else to be able to pay it forward. And this is what is exciting about the community that we create and what we do, is it is out there for other people to be able to come in and be involved with and be supported in as well.
So ladies, if you're interested in resetting your life or supporting other women who resetting their life. Join us in Brisbane, Sydney, or Perth in October 2026.
Yeah.
And let's rock this, ladies, and show all the women out there who have gone through separation and divorce. It doesn't need to define it, and we can create amazing new lives. Click the link below. We look forward to seeing you.